Right, we're off on another walk. It is 20 past 10, Saturday morning. Lots of cloud in the sky. What do you think the temperature is?
24?
Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look at some accommodation that Max has booked for October 2026. We're going to go and have a quick look at that. It's a villa, because we're going with our Max's youngest son, partner, and 3 kids. And it'll be the first time those boys will have been on a plane, even out of the country.
You don't need a passport for Cornwall.
Or Wales. Right, so turn it back on when we get there, if we find it.
Found the road. Look, the gate is open.
Really confused, second balls, first ball, set pieces.
Okay, we're at Popeyes, and we've come and we ordered. What do we order now?
Difficult again. But
Chili cheese nachos and a
Chili cheese nachos and a side of fries.
very oily fries.
But to be honest with you, look at that. That is. Look, we'll sit here and eat it. And what we'll do a review afterwards. And we'll give it out of 10.
Alright, Steve.
Give it out of 10. No, my name's Kev, not Steve. And I'm not Gary Eats either.
Also, something's going to miss out to me is unforgettable. Hey, that's today. And I'm just wondering if I've had my piece just going to the next. Somebody will Liverpool, so just to say when you're going to lights, you're just running. That's a fast one. I was looking up yesterday.
Really? I finished the chili nachos, really nice. And now I'm going to try and finish those off. Let's see if we can do it. Well, that was it. Excellent meal. There is a lot of chips. It's a bit greasy. What would you give it, Max? Out of 10? She's shaking her head, so she most likely wouldn't. Sure, are we giving it any marks? The nachos, too many crisps and not enough nachos. She gave that a 6. Personally, I thought the mince, although you can taste the, there was no salt, it was too dry. The chips, very nice. Max said 2. Either that or she's putting 2 fingers up at me. Oh, okay. Chips, beefy. Max said they need to change the oil. They were a little bit too greasy. Food-wise, yeah, not so bad. Total 5. Yeah, 5 out of 10.
Would we come back?
Well, we have to because there's not that many places here that do this sort of food, especially on a Saturday afternoon, in between Premier League and the England playing Canada in the rugby. But we'll get back to you. You never know.